Since the U gel, I don't need a base, but I do need primer. So again, I'm just gonna prime the natural nail area only for rebalance. Okay, just the natural nail area. Swipe off everything on one side of the brush and just use that side and put on like a thin base coat first. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just adding that thin coat. You can see it doesn't give you a yellow cast shadow because our gel is super clear. So I'm gonna take this U gel and put that B around that growth area. Okay, I'm just gonna take that B, and then what I'm gonna do is taking the brush and push that B into the cuticle area, almost close to it, but kind of like a hairway, and then just lightly drag that out. Then I flip that back. Before I flip that back, use my flashlight again, and then I'm just gonna use this flashlight to flash cure this. This will stay in place. It moves your one surface really much quicker. So same thing, you want to flash cure about 10 to 15 seconds, and once you're done with the whole hand, you can put in the light. But before I put it in, look how easy that looks. You see that? Self-level will give you the effects that you need.